A very good evening, everyone. Myself Priya is back again with the Hindu editorial analysis on 25th September 2020. So, in this editorial session, we are going to discuss the two articles which are given in this today's Hindu newspaper. The first article of today's editorial is Terms of Disengagement, and the second one is A Foreign Hand. Right? Firstly, we are going to discuss the first article, that is Terms of Disengagement. Okay, in these two articles we are going to cover you the vocabulary part, right? So, terms of disengagement. What do you mean by disengagement? Process of withdrawing. Process of withdrawing. He called for a ceasefire and disengagement of forces, right? Military level talks help avoid confrontation, but the China border remains a challenge. So what? They are trying to avoid the wars. Military level talks help to avoid confrontation, but the China border remains a challenge. The India and China have agreed to stop sending more troops. The front line is a welcome step towards hitting pause on the rising tensions along the LAC. So what? So there are a lot of many wars are going between India and China, right? It is a situation in which India and China have come to an agreement that they are not going to send troops to any of the country, means like any of the two countries between them. So it is a tension relief for everyone who are living in both the countries. Indeed, the genesis of tension lies in China's large-scale deployment of troops to forward areas in May and subsequent multiple transgressions in the Galwan Valley, Pangong Lake, Gogra, Hot Springs and Dipsang Plains that have violated almost every core tenet of the four border agreements that have helped keep the peace since 1993. So in this world, what happened? There are some places which are very vital, which played a very vital role towards peace since 1993. What they are saying here is, indeed, the genesis of tension. What is maybe genesis? Origin, source, root. So what we say, we are all from a genesis of our ancestors, right? Like that, the genesis of life on the earth was a mystery in old age, right? Large-scale deployment of troops towards forward and what is going to be subsequent multiple transgressions. Transgressions is nothing but an act against law. It is nothing but doing crime, sin, offense. Who is supposed to have committed these transgressions? Who committed these transgressions means who committed these sins, or who have done some things against the law, all of these. So this has forced India to match the Chinese deployment, leading to an extraordinary build-up on a scale not seen since 1962. The new agreement of September 21 at the 6th round of COPS commander talks since June will put at a stop to this build-up that if it is implemented sincerely. The joint press release said the ideas had agreed to strengthen communication on the ground, avoid misjudgments, and to refrain from unilaterally changing the situation on the ground, besides holding a next round at an early date, underlining that many issues remain unresolved. So what? There are many issues. So it is a little bit tensionful for it's for China, and it is a way of good signal for India. So what they are saying is, after the discussion of everything, you should avoid some misjudgments and all those. But still there are some issues which are not resolved. Okay. If this agreement can potentially help stem the bleeding, as it were, it does not address most of India's fundamental concerns on the LAC prior to the talks. So anytime you just don't need to go for fighting, you just give priority to talks first. Like we have some proverbs like words have lot of power than actions, like that. First you must give priority to talks rather than fighting with each other, which does not give you a complete solution for the problem. Indian officials had highlighted the key points of their agenda as having China withdraw from all friction points, including Depsang and Pangong, TSO, and granting unhindered access to all patrolling points, means PPs. Patrolling means so like what we can say is keep watch over an area, guard, police. For example, when you take the Mirapabi movement, at that time all the women will be patrolling nights with bamboo sticks for the abusement of alcohol, right? Patrolling, like I think you have got a clear visual idea of how the Mirapabi movement has gone and what does this patrolling mean, right? The joint press release makes no mention of restoration of the status quo end of April, only referring to no unilateral changes to the ground situation, which refers to the current status quo. It is true that 1 or 2 rounds of talks cannot be expected realistically to resolve a situation that is, in many ways, even more complex than the 1980s Samdarang Chu standoff, and that took 6 years before the status quo was restored. At the same time, a second joint public statement in as many weeks is a positive development in itself, showing both have the intent to stabilize the situation, even if their motivations may be different. For the Indian government, such a statement in the midst of a parliament session where it has faced questions over its handling of the LAC situation sends the message that the China crisis is under control. For China, the motivations could be twofold: either the tactical pause that gives it time to prepare for further military maneuvers, as was the case in the end August south of Pangong Lake, or a signal that Beijing wants to dial down tensions, albeit is nothing though. The meaning of albeit is though, and the meaning of tactical is strategic. Like I have a very tactical brain. What is my meaning? I'm having a very calculated brain. So whenever you go somewhere, you will be tactical. You'll have some calculated plans. That is nothing but tactical, plotted, planned, right? And the next one is, albeit on its own terms and most likely without giving up the territorial gains it has made since May. Whichever may be the case, the reality for Delhi is that the challenge along the LAC may be far from over, right? We completed our first article, and I hope every one of you have understood this video. It's article. I thank everyone very much. Thank you.